Hi there, welcome to the next video of the Escort build. Here we are, carrying on with the rally, Mk2 Escort rally build. So we've now got the back end cut off, and we're now going to start getting the chassis rails off. Got some repairs to do in the floor, got some repairs to do on the inner rear quarter. Still a lot of work to do yet, so let's get started.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
Not really allows out.
You stole my dolly, get it?
I haven't moved it.
Do you know what? You really wind me up, you do. Do you think it needs going that way or that way?
We will do, right? Get a ruler. And you should be able to see any
It
lows.
needs to go that way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it? Because I can't do it left-handed.
Yeah, very far right.
No, I just don't like that you can see a difference between the weld and the...
That's up here where the problem is.
Yeah, because I can't get to sand that bit properly because this edge. Keep hitting it. I don't want to thin it out.
So, okay, that's the back end off. That's the this back end right on this corner. Let's take a hit at some point. Rear quarter panel's quite rippled, covered in quite a lot of deep filler. So we got that off. Some of the inner section, we managed to straighten that out. Still got work to do to that. So we'll see how that fit once we get the floor and chassis rails in. Once we get them levelled up. Bit of repair to do on the floor as well. But we've now got the rear chassis sections off, the old ones, so we'll get the new ones in and see how they line up and test fit them before we can align them.